Hey guys, so we are going to be adding a countdown timer in Scratch. So first block you want to have is this one, and then right after which you are going to be using this block. Just give me a moment right here. I'm just pulling up my resources. So you want to go to set time. You want to create a variable first, but we already have, it's just very easy. Let's just create it. So set time to let's just say countdown for 10, like 10 seconds. And then you want to go to events in control rather. Then you want to repeat until. Then go to here. Time is equals to 0. All right, operators, and we have pull up the variable here. Time is equals to 0, and then go to events. Wait 1 second, and then change variable. Let's go in here. Change time by -1. So oops, and then this is the basic one. All right, so let's see if it works. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and so on and so forth. So that's how you create a countdown timer in Scratch. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is your boy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one.